Hello everyone, welcome to Gohan Chef's Kitchen. So today we are going to prepare the prawns dum biryani. So the ingredients that we are going to use are 2 cups of basmati rice, and we are going to use a cup of water to soak the basmati rice. Then we need to boil water. In that we need to add the masalas, which are 1 bay leaf, 3 black cardamom, 8 green cardamom, 2 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 8 to 9 cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 maize flour or Jawitri flour, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies, salt to taste, and in that we are going to add our soaked rice. So now I'm adding all these ingredients in it so that the rice gets good flavor and the taste enriches. So we need to make sure that we cook the rice up to 50%, or I can say up to half done. Keep 1 cup of water on the side and the rest of the rice water you can drain completely. Now it's time to marinate the prawns. So I'm using about 250 grams of prawns here. In that we are going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we are going to mix it well. Leave it for about half an hour to an hour to marinate. It's time to fry the marinated prawns. So I'm adding oil in a pan. Let it get heated up and then add the prawns in. You can add all the prawns in and fry it nicely. Once the prawns are well fried, take out the prawns, and in the same oil which we have fried the prawns, it's now time to add the clarified butter, 1 bay leaf, 2 star anise, 2 onions sliced, and give it a nice toss. I'm using the same oil because it has all the prawns flavor in it. Now time to add the sliced tomatoes. Give a mix. Add half inch of cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 cloves, 4 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and mix it well and fry till it is half done. Now add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Give it a nice mix. Add salt as per taste, fresh coriander, 1 lime juice. Mix it well. Add the fried prawns in them. Mix them nicely. Now it's time to add our boiled rice. You can add food color as per your choice, or you can just leave it plain. It's completely up to you. Add little bit of clarified butter from all the sides and some fresh coriander. On top I'm adding the biryani masala, a cup of rice water which we had left on this side. Now it's time to cover the biryani with kitchen towel or you can use any other muslin cloth, up to you, your choice. And then you can sprinkle a little bit of water on top and cover it up. This we are doing for the biryani to get a good dum and the flavors to remain within itself and not come out. So after 15 minutes, take off the cloth. You can see it comes out very nice and clean. Now it's time to mix the entire biryani. So now, since you can see the biryani is nicely mixed and it looks beautiful with the color that we have used and the base of the biryani and the prawns, so it is full of flavors and yet delicious to eat. So this is it, friend. If you all have liked our today's recipe, please make sure you like, share and subscribe and leave your lovely comments. We will see you very soon in a coming up vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Saglyang tumka dew bare kuru.